This video is not clickbait. As a native Japanese speaker, I've explored all kinds of resources trying to answer the ultimate question. Is it possible to be fluent in Japanese in 6 months? And my answer is, it's possible. Hi, I'm Shin, if you haven't met. I graduated from UCLA in 2023 with a degree in business economics. I'm trilingual and Japanese and Chinese are my native languages. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact strategy you can use to be fluent in Japanese in just 6 months. However, this is a very challenging goal, and the study schedule is gonna be pretty intense and fast-paced. So watch this video only if you are ready to grind like a college student. Let's do it. Before diving into the nitty-gritty detailed plan of each month, let me give you an overview of all of the stuff you need to learn to achieve fluency in 6 months. There are 5 pillars you need to smash.
Tomorrow night, I'm gonna smash your boy, guys.
Number 1. Hiragana and katakana. There are 46 characters each, and these 2 characters are the most basic aspects of Japanese, so you definitely need to master how to read and write all of those characters. Number 2. Essential kanji. Kanji is an important part of Japanese language, and without understanding kanji, you can probably still communicate, but you can only understand about 10% of the Japanese reading in daily life.
That's sad.
You don't need to learn as many kanji as native people do, but you have to learn the most common essential kanji. Number 3. Basic grammar. There are so many complicated grammar rules, and you don't need to dig too deep into them, but understanding some basic sentence structures can be very helpful. Number 4. 3,000 essential vocab. In my opinion, studying vocab is the key factor in achieving fluency in Japanese. Even if you have perfect grammar knowledge, but your vocabulary is too limited, you won't be able to speak at all. To be fluent, you'll need to study at least 3,000 essential vocab. Number 5. Real-life Japanese. In the end, it's your ability to understand and communicate with people that determines your Japanese fluency. Whether you want to talk to people in real life or understand anime or manga, you have to input lots of real-life, non-textbook Japanese. Now let's dive into the exact strategy you can use to smash all of these 5 pillars in 6 months. I'll explain exactly what you need to learn, but how you learn, such as how to memorize and study them, is up to you. So pick a strategy that you think is the best. Month 1. In this month, you'll learn all of the basics. The first website we use is called NihongoDekita. You can change the language setting to English, and here's what you need to do in the first 10 days. You need to finish the introduction, which gives you a great bird's-eye view on the Japanese language, and start learning hiragana, katakana, and kanji on this website. What's great about this website is that they all come with audio. I know, they might be intimidating at first, but it just takes a bit of time to sink in and get used to it. And don't worry about other sections because there are better resources I'm gonna share later.
I'm excited.
To learn hiragana and katakana, feel free to watch YouTube videos or use Tofugu's free hiragana and katakana guide, as they can be very helpful. For the next 20 days, you'll learn more kanji and grammar. For kanji learning, you can use Wanikani, which is a great website for learning kanji and radicals. Learning essential radicals is gonna make your kanji learning journey so much easier later on. Radicals and kanji are all categorized based on the difficulties, and you need to learn all of the radicals in kanji from level 1 to level 10 by the end of month 2. There are 225 radicals and 351 kanji in total, so make sure to even out the learning pace in the next 50 days, okay? The more you study in the beginning, the easier it gets in the end. I recommend studying them on Wanikani without signing up, so you can study at your pace. If you sign up for Wanikani, you'll basically get tested 5 to 10 times of the same knowledge before being able to move on to the next, which in my opinion is very time consuming. It's a cool platform, so you can try to sign up and see if you like it or not, since you don't have to pay the $9 monthly fee until you reach level 4. For grammar, listen to the Learn Japanese with Masa Sensei podcast on Spotify. She explains essential Japanese grammar in English in a very easy way, which is great for beginners. You need to finish listening to the first 50 episodes by the end of month 2.
I'm really scared.
Month 2. This month, you'll continue learning radicals and kanji on Wanikani, so you can finish till level 10 by the end of this month. Also keep listening to the Learn Japanese with Masa Sensei podcast. On top of those, you'll start learning the 3,000 core vocab. And NihongoDekita is still a perfect website to use. If you go to NihongoDekita's material download page, you'll see download materials. The vocab you need to learn are from Starter, Elementary 1, and Elementary 2. For starter, you can download the workbook PDF under the supplementary materials, which is simply a gold where you can learn the most essential and useful 1,000 Japanese words and expressions. For Elementary 1 and 2, you can download a vocabulary index PDF, which gives you the comprehensive vocab list. If you combine all of this, you actually notice that there are more than 4,000 words. Feel free to skip the words that you don't think are useful at all. These documents will give you a pronunciation guide, which is very helpful, but if you want to learn them with audio, then check out the website NihongoDekita Words. After selecting the level and clicking on the image, you'll need to select topic, lesson, textbook, and word class to create a customized vocab list. But remember that in general, each topic has more than 150 words, so I strongly recommend you to pick one topic each time and just leave all of the other sections checked. Then click on Make List. You'll see the entire vocab list of your topic. Make sure to click on the kanji kana instead of kana so the vocab list will include some of the basic kanji, which is beneficial to your learning, you know? The audio function is only available online, but make sure to download the PDF document of your list because it shows on the first page the exact filters you applied when searching, so you can find the same list easily next time and avoid unnecessary overlap of words. Whatever learning style you choose, your task is to learn 20 words per day for the remaining 5 months, so you'll hit the 3000 vocab goal in month 6. Month 3. In this month, you'll keep studying the core 3000 Marugoto vocab, 20 words per day. At the same time, you'll start learning basic conversational phrases using a website called Tsunahiro. It's a website created by Japanese government for foreign residents in Japan. So the lessons are all based on very practical real-life scenarios with transcripts available in Japanese and your chosen language. There are different levels, and what you need to learn is the useful phrase, level 1 and level 2. There are 30 different scenes in total, so by studying one scene per day, learning the vocab and expressions, you'll be able to finish it in this month. Pretty intense, huh?
Too intense. Way too intense.
Month 4 to month 6. This is the last 50% of the journey, and this is when your Japanese level really takes off. You'll have 3 daily tasks. The first one is to keep learning the 3000 Marugoto vocab, 20 new words per day, and stick to it every day. It can be boring.
I know.
But that's what it takes if you want to learn Japanese super fast. Think about it. By the end of month 6, you can understand 80 to 90% of daily Japanese, anime, and manga. It's gonna be worth it. The second daily task is learning real-life Japanese by watching 2 episodes of YouTube videos.
Don't laugh.
I want you to focus on these 2 channels to take your listening and speaking to the next level. The Bite-Sized Japanese Podcast and Miku Real Japanese. They are all native speakers and they talk about variety of daily life topics in very conversational manners. What's great about these 2 channels is that they offer Japanese subtitles and English translation, so you can inundate yourself in the real-life Japanese speaking environment and learn new vocab, grammar, expressions as you go using an online dictionary or ChatGPT. You need to practice speaking by speaking out loud, imitating their rhythm, pronunciation, and facial expressions, okay?
Okay.
For Bite-Sized Japanese Podcast, you need to pay $3.99 monthly subscription fees to access all of the transcripts of the episodes, but it will make the learning process so much easier and more efficient, so I'll highly recommend it. Anyway, you need to watch 2 episodes every single day. Also check out NihongoDekita with Sayaka on YouTube. They have helpful shorts on Japanese learning, giving you important insights on Japanese. So your daily task number 3 is to watch 1 or 2 shorts daily. Believe me, by the end of month 6, you'll surely be impressed by how fluent your Japanese has become. So overall, the 6-month study plan will look like this. I've put all of the resources I mentioned in this video in the description, so definitely check them out. Alright, this wraps up today's video. It requires so much time, effort, and commitment, but I hope I was able to show you the roadmap of how you can become fluent in Japanese in just 6 months, and it is possible. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, sticking to the very end. If you think this video is not clickbait, please do me a favor by giving a like and subscribe to my channel. Your support means everything. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.